Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. And we are walking into CVS. So let's go inside and see what we can come up with. By the way, Victoria's Secret, if you want to sponsor me, feel free to do so. Okay, so the first deal I'm going to do is the Eucerin spend $20, get $10 back. I'm picking up one of the skin calming cream at $8.99 and one of the daily hydration at $11.49. So this is my breakdown here. I'm going to use two of these $3.50 coupons, and I have two $3 off of 10, so everything is going to be $20.48 minus all of these coupons. I'm going to pay $7.48, getting $10 back, making it free and a $2.52 moneymaker. Okay, so I'm going to do this L'Oreal deal. It's 2 for $8, and when you buy two you get $2 back. I'm going to use this 4 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. I printed from coupons.com. There is a 4 off of 2 digital that's going to glitch and come off, making them both completely free and a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal I'm doing is on the Neutrogena. This is unadvertised. It's buy 2 get $6 back. I am picking up 2 at $7.49. That's gonna be $14.98. I'm gonna use 2 of these $4 coupons from coupons.com. They're no longer available. And this 3 off of 15 cosmetics, I'm gonna pay $3.98, getting that $6 back, making it free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Okay, so Maybelline is a buy 2 get $5 back. I'm picking up 2 of the mascara at $7.79, which I have right here. For both, it's gonna be $15.58. I have a $4 off instant coupon from last week. I have a 3 off of 15, and I'm going to use 2 of these $1 coupons. There's also a $1 digital, so if all 3 comes off, I'm going to pay $5.58, getting $5 back, making it 58 cents. If it does not come off, I'm going to pay $6.58, making it $1.58 for both. And this also tracks towards beauty. Buy 2 get 4. I'm gonna pick up 2 at $3.29. That's gonna be $6.58. I'm gonna use 2 of these coupons. I'm gonna pay $4.58, getting $4 back, making it 58 cents for 2. And you can do this deal 2 times. I might do it 2 times, I'm not sure, but I hate paying for toothpaste. Okay, so I am picking up 3 of the Pantene at 3 for $12 and another one at $4.79. I'm going to use the $5 paper coupon and the $5 digital coupon, not the $1 off. And I should get $6 back, making it just 79 cents for 4. Okay, so the next deal I am doing is the Colgate. I am picking up 4 at $4.59. When you buy 2, you get $8 back, a limit of 2. So 4 of them is going to be $18.36. I'm going to use 4 $1 paper coupons. I'm going to pay $14.36, getting $16 back, making them all free and a $1.64 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal I am doing is the Crest and Oral-B. This week they're on sale for $3.99, and when you purchase 2, you get a $3 extra care buck, a limit of 2. So I'm doing the deal 2 times. I have 3 of the mouthwash and 1 toothbrush. Everything is going to be $15.96. I'm going to use the 5 off of 3 digital for the mouthwash, $1 for the toothbrush, and this 2 off of 12 mouthwash CRT. I'm going to pay $7.96, getting $6 back. Then I'm going to get $1 on Ibotta for the toothbrush and 50 cents each for the mouthwash, making everything free and a 54-cent moneymaker. Okay, I'm picking up one of these CVS baby wipes at $1.69. I have a $2 off any baby wipes, which is going to adjust down and make this completely free. I'm picking up one of these CVS liners at $1.49. I have a $2 off CVS app only coupon, which is going to make this completely free. Okay, the next deal I am doing is spend $15 get $3 back. I'm picking up 3 Gain Flings at $4.99. That's gonna be $14.97. I'm going to use 3 of these paper coupons. I'm going to pay $5.97, getting $3 back, making it $2.97 for 3 or 99 cents for each one. Okay guys, so I'm not going to go through all of the deals all over again. I am going to go over the receipt really quickly with you. So again, I have 2 cards and I did a few transactions because some of the stores were out. So the Pantene I did by itself. I used $6 in extra care bucks and 79 cents plus tax. I got my $6 back. This super long receipt right here was my main transaction. So let me do it this way. So the L'Oreal, the Scope, the Gain, the Maybelline, the Eucerin. So the $3 coupons, the $3.50 coupons, everything came off. The 5 off of 3, the $1, the L'Oreal paper coupon came off as well. The $2 off mouthwash, the Maybelline, $1.49 came off for the tampons. And where is that CRT? Oh, my store was out for this right here. So there was only one, so I did it on one card. I have to go back and do it again on the other card. So I used $30 in extra care bucks, 0 plus tax, and I got $30 back. So 3, 6, 4, 13, 2, 15, 25, 30, plus I got back $2.60 from Ibotta. So that transaction was completely free. And I also hit beauty 2 times. So this was free and a $9.45 moneymaker on my first card. On my second card, I did again, focus. The Colgate was cheaper at this store. This store was $4.59. The first store I went to that was completely out was $4.79. So this was a bigger moneymaker. So I used, focus. I used $14 in extra care bucks. Total was 36 cents. And I got $16 back. Okay, let me grab these receipts there. So, this is another Colgate that I did separately. I used $3, paid $1.58, and I got $4 back, making that 58 cents. This is the Pantene. I used $6 in extra care buck, paid 79 cents plus taxes. I got $6 back. This one was the Eucerin. I used $10, paid 78 cents plus taxes, and I got my $10 back. Now, this is my other super long receipt. So, let's look at this one. The L'Oreal, the Oral-B, the Scope, the Gain. The Colgate was $4.79 at this store. The other store was $4.59, which was a lot cheaper. So one of my 3 off of 15 came off. The other one did not come off. So I'm not sure why, but it didn't come off. So my total was $2.65. I calculated that to come off as well. That did not. I used $40 in extra care bucks, and I got $38 back. So 6, 6, 2, 16, and 5. Again, I also got $2.60 on Ibotta. Plus, I hit beauty. So I'm going to get back at least $6. So everything was a $10.80 moneymaker. Put both of them together were at $20.25. So everything you see here was completely free, and I made $20.25 buying these products. And I had no CRTs. So if you have any CRTs, it will be an amazing deal. This is everything I picked up from CVS this week. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.